Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this ribbon animated text effect. So once you've got your footage loaded up inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, we want to create a brand new title. So we'll go up to File, New, Legacy Title, and inside of Legacy Title we just want to begin by creating a brand new layer of text. So type out whatever you want to add into this window and change the color of this from white to black. Now from here you can change the font, you can change the size of this, just center this up and make this look really pretty, but just make sure that you have that black font. Now once you're happy with that, before we exit this window, we need to add a background to this text layer. So scroll down the tab on the right and find the background tab, activate this and change the background color from black to white. Now once you've done that, just exit the text window and drag that text layer back onto your footage and drag this onto video layer 2. From here we'll go into effects and we'll search for crop, and you want to drag crop on top of that text layer. Now in crop you want to pull down the crop of the top and the bottom an even amount. So we'll pull the top to 40% and then we'll pull the bottom to 40% also. Now once you've added your crop you want to add a little bit of rotation and position this in the upper half of the frame. And then before we move on to the next text layer, we want to change the blending mode from normal to screen, and this is going to make that black text disappear, revealing the layer underneath. Now you want to go ahead and do the same process a few times and generate a few different text layers. And then as soon as you've done this, we can begin animating these text layers to come on. So we'll start with the how to create, that's the first layer. So let's create a keyframe on the position, scroll back in time maybe 4 or 5 keyframes, and then drag this text layer off screen. Now if we play this back, you'll see that this whole ribbon animates on into the frame, and we need to go ahead and do the same thing for the other two. But for the second layer, that's the ribbon text, we want to start with the text off screen on the right, and it's going to come in from the right to the left, and then the bottom layer is going to come in from the left to the right. The animation on all of these layers should be staggered because that would give the effect of this ribbon gliding in to the shot. And as soon as you've done that, you've now completed the ribbon text effect inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there, and also don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.